Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. So today is another new live video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning: your capital must be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose, and this video is not an investment advice. So let's see. Market is not so nice, but let's try and check some opportunity. Yeah, I can see rejection from 50 EMA, and the market is trying to go down because I can see this EMA formation showed that market will not go more up, but sellers couldn't enter. Yes, I know market is supposed to come down because of the formation. Yes, I will place my trade put option because the formation of this EMA showed that market will go down. You can see rejection and this EMA are aligned. Let me show you. This is 200 EMA, and this is 100, this is 50, and this is 20. So from the arrangement, the alignment of this EMA showed that market supposed to come down. See rejection from EMA. This candle rejected from 100, from 50 EMA, and all price bar is below all EMS. So that's why I know definitely market will come down. You see, this is swing trade. We are coming like this. You see the formation of the market: lower low, lower high. So this market supposed to come more down because of the formation, even though this 20 is showing like market's trying to go up. This 20 EMA is showing like market now is trying to go more up. So let's look for another opportunity. Here what we can see, rejection from 20 EMA. See rejection. This candle rejected from 20 EMA, and the formation of the trend is like this. See the channel here, but no bias here. So that means we are go more down. Yes, we are go more down because of the breakout and rejected from this level. The candle has rejected from this level. Yes, it has rejected from this level, showed that market will go more down. So let's wait for the result and see, because you can see, as I have told you, see the formation of EMA market. So I know market must go more down and close below my entry point. Yes, let's see. We have 3 seconds. So you see market is going down. So this is winning trade again, with close in the money, but no problem. This candle, next candle, supposed to go more down. But let us analyze another market. So here we can see our EMS showed that market trend is strong. It will be going up. So I missed this call trade. I would have called from here. I know this candle will not be so much big. From this rejection, I would have called from this rejection, because I know this candle is supposed to be weak candle or even green. If it is not green, it will be weak. Because of this round number, it will be weak candle because of the formation of EMA. So I'm late. Let's check another. You see, it's weak candle. I would have win with this week. So let's see what will happen with this candle. You see, this EMAs show that market, you can see the alignment 20, 50, 100, 200. So this alignment show that market will know to come down at all. So that's why maybe, let me see, on the next candle maybe I'll take my trade, but here like strong area, yes, and it's rejected from Bollinger Band. This candle rejected from 2 deviation of a Bollinger Band. So I'm not sure, this candle may come down. Yes, and 20 EMA is trying to reverse. 20 EMA is showing that market will reverse, but I will not go against trend. So maybe if it comes to this level like this, maybe, so 20 EMA is showing that this candle will be red. I can see maybe the next candle as well, but I will wait because here are buyers, and this is engulfing candle, but it's tricky. This is some reversal pattern complements. Yes, if I get higher, sorry, I'm late. I would have taken my trade. Yes, wow, lag, but no problem. I know it will close below this area because of this EMA formation, and this hammer showed that candle will be strong. So let's wait for the result and see whether we can win. Because of the late entry, you know, you can see I tried to enter this area, but market just brought me down. That's why it's very, very good to get good very entry points. So I think I will stop trading like this. I have took total 3 trades, all are winning trade, and I use EMA. So if you are interested in how to use EMA in your trading, please drop your comment below this video. I will guide you how to trade with EMA. So here you can see we are in downtrend. And I took my trade here because the formation of EMA, and this 20 EMA shows that market is coming down. That's why I place my trade put option. Then this trade as well, the formation of EMA, you see this EMA, you can see 200, 150, 20. So they are going far between each other. So that's why I know market will no more go up. So that's why I place my trade. You see, still now market is trying to go down after retracement. So then the third trade here, you can see, but I get bad entry point. It's not my fault. I tried to enter in this area, but market brought me to this area. But because of this engulfing candle in confluence with a hammer and spin on top, so that's why I know this candle must be strong. That's why that's why this trade been in the money. So you see this EMA showed that market will go more down after breakout of this 20 EMA. You see this is 20 SMA, this is 20 EMA, and you see they are matching together, so showed that market is trying to go more. This trend will be strong, it will be go down. So this is the end of this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If you didn't like, please click on like. And if you have any question or suggestion, please drop it in comment section. So this is the end of this video. I will say thank you. Bye bye.